Welcome back to South Omaha Speed. Today we are cutting on the Galaxie for the first time with the angle grinder, is what I call it, 4.5-inch disc. And we're just going to start cutting it down. No precision cutting at this point. We're just going to get down close, kind of where I think we need to be so we can fine tune the final cuts. Once we start looking at the blue car and stuff, I'm just trying to get most of it off, like the roof, the B-posts, the portions of the cowl. I'm going to save one of the quarter panels because it's a good, in case somebody's got some damage by the tail light, maybe a guy could use that. So I'm going to save that piece, maybe swap meet it, but the roof will come off on this quarter panel here. Maybe cut some of the exhaust off of it. Just start getting it down. There we go. So I can work on it a little better and start figuring out where we're going to cut the two cars. So that's what we're doing here. Of course, the B-post took longer than I thought. You know, you're thinking, just cut this thing right off. There's a double panel, so I had to cut it a little higher. Yeah. We're learning something this next one, though. We'll do it a little different. What's that? Half the time, yeah, half the disc too. But the striker wouldn't come off with the screwdriver bit and the ratchet, so I'm going to just cut it off. Save it. There's a dome light in here. No. There is. It's I saw the garment hook. Oh, garment hooks. You want to hang up your dresses or something when we're cruising in the 427, you mean? Slow down. Walk around, take a look at this bad boy. Well, we got her off. We're planning on loading up on the white truck, taking it all to scrap. Floor's looking good. Little issue over there. I'll need a little bit fixed on that hat channel underneath there at that body mount, but it's pretty solid from underneath. It looks pretty good, so it probably won't need much fixing right in there, and that all looks good. Just took the paint off from water sitting on it. So pretty darn solid. Yeah, it's really beefy, this B post right here. Triple walled right through here. All this is coming off completely flat. And then the two-door B post will be like right back in here because it's a little wider. The door's wider, longer. So this will all be cut smooth, both sides. Is the plan. Right, Dad?
That's right.
Well, should we load that up? You can handle that all right?
It's your timing.
My man right there is my man.
I think it's going to sit on top of the wheel well, so it ain't going to sit on the floor of the trunk. You know?
Can we sit in there sideways? Hanging out?
Well,
I mean, this way, but just upside down.
I thought we just put it upside down flat with the legs sticking up and then put the doors in it.
Oh, you're saying it's going to be above the wheel wells, though?
Yeah.
Whatever you want, Dad. I like what you like.
Cab, or just so it fits under the deck tonight, because that's where it's going.
I like what you like. It should fit under there. We're liking the way that concaveness looks. It's kind of got a rounded shape to it. Probably be really good for a hot rod roof to fill in like on a 34 Ford or a 32 Ford. If a guy was going to make a roof insert, I'm guessing that shape would probably work.
Yeah.
So I'm probably going to cut that skin off. I shouldn't, but I'm going to.
That's what we do. We think ahead.
Against my better judgment of taking more time on the project, I guess.
Like we're no schedule, you know?
All right, we're going to cut this off. The crown in this way and this way may just be the right shape for an old hot rod. Like a 34 Ford coupe, so the Omaha coupe, I could probably use that to patch the top if I wanted to louver one and put it on there. This would definitely have the right look for the metal I'd want to use. But I think we're probably going to cut a shape out of here and save it. So I'm not sure why, but because that's what we do, dumb things. It's my garage, the way it looks, but we won't take the whole thing because the hot rod tops are probably, we'll just need to there just to fill that little opening that, you know, before 1940 they had inserts that they performed 39. They didn't have the manufacturing down yet, so when all the panels came together, it left a hole in the top of the Model A's, Model T's, 32, 33, 34. I think 35 and 36 still had that insert in them. 39 or 38 might have been the first year, 37, where it was completely a steel top. This, of course, we're talking Fords here because that's all we know, old stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna cut that out real quick and save it, I guess. I'm an idiot. Drinks. I can describe some lines, but so the old man right there he is right there. Dad says go ahead and we should probably put a center line on it, so when we go to trim it down next time we know exactly where the center of the roof hump is. What you're saying, right, Dad? He's probably right. He's right. Sometimes it hurts to say that he's right, but he's probably right. You know what I mean? Some of that right there, Dad. Right there. There you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah. We call that the voice from the couch. Yeah. Is what we call that. You know what I mean? Where he's calls me up sometimes, Tommy, I got an idea. You better get your pen and paper out because it's usually a good one. Usually a good idea. Take a little hit of that. You know what I mean? A little caffeine, a little bump, a little you know what I mean? A little ah. What is that? We're gonna call it a day here in the backyard, and we got a lot done today. Get that. Oh, there she is right there. There she is. Looking good, if I might say. Exciting times. Car's solid. Gonna be a great swap for the 427 car, I think. A great donor. That frame and floor. Excited. More to cut. This is just preliminary. Start getting the big stuff off of it. So next time, I'm gonna take the quarter panels off of it. Start cutting around the trunk well, or the behind the seats, where the package tray, and maybe start cutting that cowl off too. So a lot more to do next time to start kind of fine tuning our cuts and kind of paying attention where we're really cutting and look at both cars good and see what we got. So thank you for joining on our adventure of trying to save this 427 Galaxie. Thanks so much for watching. Tell your neighbors and friends, and we'll catch you next time on South Omaha Speed.